Let's take a closer look at amplification attacks. Typically, the attacker uses a machine, and then this attacker machine controls a number of bots or compromised computers. And each of these bots will send many requests to a server, and the response from the server is much larger than the request. So the amplification is accomplished by two factors. One is the number of bots involved, and second, the server response is much larger than the requests. Here's a specific example of amplification attack. This involves DNS, the domain name systems. Here's the amplification factor involving the server, the DNS server. So here we have the machine sending a DNS request to the server. And of course, the source address of the DNS query is spoofed, and the server thinks that the request is from the target. The server response is much larger than the request. In this case, it is 50 times. Here, eDNS means extension mechanism for DNS. It allows for extra flags and response data. Therefore, the response is much larger. In a DNS-based amplification attack, each of the bots controlled by the attacker will send many requests to any of the DNS resolvers, and there are many of them. And for each request, the response will be sent to the target, because in each request, the source IP address is spoofed. The attacker can choose any subset of the DNS servers to use, because there are so many open DNS resolvers on the internet. This attack can generate a huge amount of traffic in a very short period of time. For example, the attacker can easily generate tens or even hundreds of gigabits per second traffic targeted at the victim.